Some stories begin at the end of the road. Nature has claimed this machine for decades.
For her, it's just a memory of better times.
$20. That's what a dream costs when it's broken.
It's barely holding together.
Step one, get it to the lab.
People stare. They only see junk.
All right, pull. Harder. Well, that's definitely destroyed. Look at the state of that support bar.
Crystal clear optics.
The smell is indescribable.
Look it up. Lift it out. Heart transplant initiated.
Now we see what we're really dealing with.
Time to erase the past.
High-pressure purification.
Getting into every crack and crevice.
The cancer went deep.
Clean, but full of holes. Cut it out, all of it.
New floors needed.
Perfect fit.
Fusing it back together.
Stronger than factory.
Make it invisible.
Just like the assembly line.
New skin.
The structure is sound again.
Surgically clean.
Killing the microscopic rust. Prep is 90% of the job.
Locked and loaded.
epoxy seal.
One color again.
Sealing the metal forever.
Let it bake.
The rot is gone. The foundation is set. Next, we paint.
The guide coat reveals the truth.
With the body prepped, we turn our attention to the heart of the beast. Precision is key. We hone the cylinders for a perfect seal. Pistons and rods, balanced and ready for combustion.
Torquing the heads down. This seal have to be unbreakable.
Giving the engine that classic Ford blue finish.
Timing is everything. Chains, guides, and tensioners locked in.
Intake on. The engine is rebuilt and better than factory.
We're ditching the rusty springs for performance suspension.
Stopping power provided by drilled rotors and refurbished calipers.
The moment of truth. Dropping the heart back into the body.
How to get the body straight. Every curve must be perfect. Stainless steel dual exhaust for that signature V8 rumble.
Hours of block sanding. It's the only way to get a glass-like finish later.
Masking up. We don't want paint where it doesn't belong.
We're going with a deep liquid red metallic. First coat of base. The coverage is instant. And now, the clear coat. This brings out the deep gloss.
It looks painful to sand fresh paint, but it's necessary for a mirror finish.
Buffing out the sanding marks reveals the true depth.
Fresh glass going in. Sealed tight.
Fresh molded carpet. No more stains or smells.
The dash goes in, connecting all the electronics. Brand new leather upholstery with custom red stitching.
The face returns.
Every hose, every wire, spotless.
Fresh fluids. Lifeblood.
Power on.
Back on the ground where she belongs.
One last wipe. Perfect.
A brand new cockpit.
Another legend saved. Thanks for watching the journey.
Drives like a dream. Sharp, fast, and loud.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next restoration.
With the body prepped, we turn our attention to the heart of the beast.
High-temp enamel ensures the block looks as good as it runs.
New forged pistons for durability and power. Timing is everything. New chains and tensioners installed.
The heart goes back into the body.
Upgraded suspension for better handling than factory.
Stopping power is just as important as horsepower. Three coats of base for deep, consistent color.
This is where the magic happens. The clear coat brings the shine.
Flawless. Now for the reassembly.
New glass goes in.
The icon returns.
New shoes to finish the look.
Power on.
From a rusted shell to a showroom masterpiece.
Time to hit the road. It drives even better than it looks.
Smooth, powerful, restored.
Thanks for watching the journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next project.